Hey everyone, it's Jonas. Welcome to my The Fuego Multiplier review. I'll show you the members area, I'll show you what the episodes are, how much they will cost, and I also have some pretty cool bonuses that I think you're going to like. And if you want to get them, just click the link in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube or if you're watching this on my website. Again, there should be a link just below the video. Click there and you'll come to the sales page, which is going to look like this. I'm not even going to read these numbers, but a lot of different numbers with 5 minutes of work. It's easy with the Fuego Multiplier. And then before I go on, if it sounds like I've got a cold and that my voice is kind of worn out, it's because it is. So I'm going to try and make this review pretty quick so you don't have to listen to my broken voice. You can see here, revolutionary new method. Yeah, I actually kind of agree here. I'm usually kind of harsh when I go through the sales pages, but I would say this is going to be a method you most likely never heard of before. Or you might have heard about it, but it's very unlikely that you've tried it yourself. Shocking real proof. Yeah, this is absolutely insane. Jono has got a case study in here. So this course is created by Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mays. And Jono is the person who's doing the actual course material. And he's going to show a case study of how he spent $40 to make $791, which is pretty insane. No email list needed. 100% correct. No tech skills or softwares, correct? 100% newbie-friendly method. Yeah, I would say definitely. Easy setup in minutes. Yes. 1,000+ day method. For Jono, it is, and he is teaching you what he's doing. So eventually, maybe, yeah. But I don't expect to make these kind of numbers in 5 minutes. I mean, obviously that's way too hypey. But can you actually make money with this? I would say yes, definitely. So take a look at the sales page yourself. I'm not going to go through that because it makes no sense. And also make sure you watch this video. It's awesome. You're going to see King Human, which is a friend of Brendan's. He's got like 150,000 subscribers. And then you're going to see Brendan and Jono in race cars. And this is a really funny sales video. So make sure you watch this one. All right, let me show you what it is. There's going to be a total of 10 videos here. First one is a welcome video from Brendan. After that, we're going to get started. It's a system overview. This is Jono, and you're going to see this insane case study here. But in short, what you're going to be learning here is how to set up YouTube ads, and it's not going to be video ads, however, you're going to be setting up image ads. They're called display, and you're going to be setting these up using you'll basically create the images inside of Canva, so it's super easy to create the actual ad image. And you're then going to be doing retargeting. I'm not going to explain how to, let's check. You do need to create your own video as well, but it's not going to be a like a video review that you're going to be using. You're going to have to create like a testimonial that you're going to put on other people's websites, or they're going to put your video on other people's websites, and that's basically going to allow you to siphon off of the traffic that comes to the sales page in a way, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. You're going to learn. You can outsource this as well if you don't want to do it. I would highly recommend you to do it yourself. A testimonial video is going to be anywhere from 25 to 40 seconds. Typically they're not longer than that, and the only thing you really have to say is something like, hey, my name is Jonas, and I would just like to do a short testimonial for the Fuego Multiplier. I looked into this a couple days ago and it's fantastic. It's so in-depth. You're going to learn everything you need to know about YouTube ads, and I just think this was really cool. So thank you, Jono, for this product. Have a great day. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do in a testimonial. So I would suggest you to do it yourself, but if you really don't want to, you can outsource it for like $5 or $10 really easily, and it could be worth it. So yeah, that's the Fuego vid. And then how to use ads, how to set everything up, how to create the ads. And as I said, this is very simple. And then you're going to learn how to set up a simple landing page and how you can get your campaigns up and running in just a few minutes. So, I mean, I'm sure you've heard of Jono Armstrong before. He's one of my business partners. We've got a membership coaching together, our membership site, myself and Trevor Carr and Jono. And I've known him for a long time, but we first started talking, I think it was roughly 1 year ago. He actually purchased one of my products, and back in October or November or so of last year, 2017, I was making more money than Jono. He would make he'd be happy if he made like $50 from a promotion, $50 or $70. And then if you fast forward to now, it's June, he's making at least $700 per campaign if he goes all in, meaning he sets up these little Fuego ads. And I've seen him make way over $2,000 as well from a promo, and I think he's making somewhere between $30,000 and $40,000 per month these days from just affiliate promotions using ads, which is insane. So I mean, if you want to learn a method that absolutely works and you want to learn it from the best of the best as well, the Fuego Multiplier is something I would highly recommend you to look into, because this is something that is not only easy to set up, but you're going to get fast results as well, seeing as it's paid ads. Just be careful when you get started, because not all campaigns will work. So if you start, if you're like, yeah, I'm just going to spend $1,000 on day one and I'll make 20,000, no. Start slow, spend maybe $10 per day in the beginning until you start seeing some results. You're getting clicks to your landing page and things like that. And then once you kind of get the hang of everything, that's when you kind of scale up and become the next Jono Armstrong. But overall, I like this. This is really cool, and I'm not just saying this because I consider Jono and Brendan friends of mine. This is what Jono is doing. I've been talking to him for the last couple of months about like, what the heck are you doing? And I know that this is what he's doing. He's using ads, he's using display ads, which is what he's teaching here, and it's yours for a stupid price. He shouldn't teach this for this price, but he is. And yeah, if you want to get started with this, click the link below, get started, and you'll also get some cool bonuses that I'm going to show you in just a minute. But let me first show you the upsells quickly. There's quite a lot of them. So first, this is just the front end. Here's a $12.95 on a dime sale, so it's going to go up. I don't know where it'll stop at, maybe $17 or so, but make sure you get it as soon as you can if you want to get it, because the price will probably be higher the next time you go back to the page otherwise. OTO1, $37, Fuego funnels. So people hate doing work. The training course shows you how to do it yourself. This upgrade has Brendan and Jono do it for you. I actually don't know what it is that they're going to do for you, how it works. So make sure you take a look at the sales page or the sales video for that. But it sounds pretty cool, so it could absolutely be worth it. OTO2, now this is really cool. This is really, really, really cool. So this is a special deal with limited spots. I actually 100% believe that. They are going to allow you to siphon virtually unlimited traffic off of their launches. How? With a special tracking pixel you can put on their sales page. What that means is this. You can put your AdWords pixel, so AdWords is YouTube ads where you're going to use your advertising. You can put your pixel on Brendan's and Jono's sales pages, and they typically get tens of thousands of people to their pages. And what happens if you have a pixel on that sales page is that you are going to build an audience in your AdWords account, and you're going to have all of those people that have visited the page. That's going to be a ton of buyers as well, at least like 2,000 or 3,000 buyers, and tons of other people that are interested in making money online. So I mean, just one of these launches where you get, I have no idea how many or how much traffic they typically get, but I'm going to guess it's going to be somewhere between 10 and 30,000 people interested in making money online. And you're going to be able to retarget these people and show them other products, which is just insanely powerful. So I know that $197 is quite pricey, but again, this can absolutely be worth it if you want to go all in with ads and you just want to crush it completely. Consider this one. OTO3, $67. So far, Jono and Brendan have shown you how to get traffic on demand. This upgrade shows you how to maximize the money you make from Fuego funnels. I actually don't know what this is either, so take a look at the sales video. It's $67. OTO4, $97 or $47. That's the downsell, and there are actually downsells to all of these if I saw it correctly. I don't know what the difference is if they're going to take something out, but there will be downsells. And if there isn't a downsell one, on my bonus delivery page, I'm going to have links that will go back to the upsells again. So you can just click that one, and then if there was, if there were no a downsell that you wanted to get, and for example, it goes from, let's say you want to get this one for 147 maybe, and you're not offered a downsell, you can just go back from my bonus delivery page and get it for the full price then. So yeah, license rights, 100% commission on the entire funnel. Brendan's launches convert really, really well, so if you know what you're doing, definitely pick this one up for $47. OTO5, $2,000 or $200 downsell. This is Brendan's one-on-one coaching, which is called Project Profit Academy. I've been through this course myself for his coaching, and it's really good. I actually made a whole review on that. So if you go to Google or YouTube and just type in Project Profit Academy review, you should find my website on position 3 or 4 or something like that. And on YouTube, pretty much the same thing. So take a look at that if you want. Now, that's it. So let me just quickly show you some bonuses. You're going to get, first of all, mine and Jono's launch jacking formulas. Now, as you probably know, myself and Jono are usually at the top of YouTube with our review videos. And you're going to get one course from Jono where he shows you how he's doing it. And you're also going to get my video, my course where I show you how I'm doing it. We're doing things slightly different, but they both work. And you're also going to get an updated video from 2018 where I basically show you how you can future-proof the whole method, which is pretty cool. You're also going to see how I made over 11,000 from copy and pasting using 100% free traffic. Very cool stuff here as well. It's going to be a full case study. You'll see everything that I did. You're going to see the ad copy. And when I say ad copy, I don't mean ad, but the copy that I used, the text that I used in my ad, which was free. You'll get that as well. Third bonus, how to make money using nothing but your mobile phone. This is a course that is created by myself, Jono Armstrong, and Trevor Carr. And it's really cool stuff. So we'll show you how you can make money with your mobile phone. So if you don't have a computer, you don't need one. It's going to be a little bit more complicated to do everything on your phone. I'm not going to lie, but it works. So that's it. That's my bonuses. I might add something as well. If you click the link in the description below, you might see some more bonuses. And there will be some unannounced bonuses as well if you decide to pick this up through my link. But that is it. I feel like my voice is going to die completely soon. So I'm going to stop talking and just say thank you so much for watching the Fuego Multiplier review. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.